Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Buffalo County until 6:45 p.m. At 5:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Durand, or 11 miles north of Wabusha, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mondovi around 6:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Mondovi Airfield, Mishimoqua, Maxville, the Big Swamp area, Ern and Nelson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.